Hello everyone. So I received this noco GB70. So this one came for no power. Push the power button, light. So the light works, but the power button it doesn't work. So let's make some tests. So we're gonna check here in the power button to see what's the voltage in the power button. Because these devices they work with the VCC and these are over 10 volt. So here we have 11 volt. This is a good sign, which means the battery is good. The battery here, that's the wires for the battery, is 11.9. So the battery is good, but the device is not responding to the power button. We have 10 volt here or 11 volt. If I push the power button, that 10 volt is shorted to the ground. That's what is sending the signal to the controller to turn on the device. So here so in this regulator, this is 3.3 regulator. When I push the power button, the voltage it goes to this regulator. You can see now is at 10.5. So which means all these diodes to here is good. The output of the regulator so let me push the power button is at 3.3. So the regulator it works, but the controller it doesn't respond into the power button. Okay, so these low ohm resistors here usually they go bad. Let me turn it off. There's a 4 ohm, 3 ohms. That's good. Yeah, the resistors are good. Even we can try to short them just to be sure. Nothing. So the battery voltage is good. The VCC is good. The 3.3 is good. The power button is good. But the controller is not responding to the power button. So I don't see no cracked resistors or burning diodes or any transistor. Usually this problem is linked to the bad processor. Another thing about these processors, they don't like a lot of heat. Like when I am removing, they stop working. This means I did try a couple of them, and that's what happened. So it's more safe now. I'm gonna replace the whole board with the board that says works. I have one here. So beside I transfer the processor from here to here, I will transfer the whole board, and that's more easy because this board there is just 2 wires for the battery. The other ones is just connectors. Plus it's more safe because if the processor is go bad, it means we lost the chance. So I need to find another board. So let's do it. So I'm gonna disconnect everything. Like this. I may use some new solder to help melt in the old one. That's the two wires that solder. That's how easy to remove the battery. So that's the positive side, and this is the negative side. Connect this one. This is the temperature sensor. This is the battery connector, and this is the relays connector. And let's power it on. It turns on. And is boosting. So let's see the voltage over here. It's a 12 volt boosting. So which means the device is fixed. So I put the device together, and let's test the charging. It's taking 1.5 amp. You can see the 100% flashing. Turns on. Boosting. Flashlight works. So everything it works. So this is all for this video, and see you next one.